Hello everyone, myself Mr. Pramod Murari and you're watching my YouTube channel Learn to Earn for Life. In this video, I shall take a case of a balanced load when it is connected to an unbalanced supply. So this is also the problem of based on the three-wire system. Let us go through the problem statement. A delta connected load is connected across an unbalanced three-phase supply. You can see this where you need to find the symmetrical components of line currents as well as the delta currents. You can observe here they have given the data of current in line A as 10 at an angle 30 degree, as well as the line current in line B has been given, that is 15 at an angle minus 60 degree. We know that in a three-wire system, IA plus IB plus IC, out of these three values only the value of IB and IA are known. Calculating for IC, putting the values of IA and IB in this expression and solving for it, we will get minus 16.16 plus 8J in rectangular form, 18.18 at an angle 154 degree ampere in polar form. Let us solve for the symmetrical currents. First one is IA naught. We know that by the theory of three-wire system, IA naught will be always equals to 0 and it is the expected case. Solving for IA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus AIB plus A square IC, putting the values of the line currents IA, IB, IC as well as A and A square in this expression. Solving it, we will get 10.38 plus 9.3 J at an ampere in rectangular form and in polar form as 13.94 at an angle. Let us solve for the negative sequence line current. IA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus A square IB plus AIC. Solving by putting the values of IA, IB, IC in this expression, we will get minus 1.7 minus 4.3 J ampere in rectangular form, 4.65 at an angle minus 111.57 degrees in polar form. For your information, please always remember that whenever you multiply the two polar form complex numbers, you need to multiply the magnitudes each other, that is 15 into 1 is 15, and then you need to add the angles minus 60 plus 120 degree. So finally I will get the answer as 15 at an angle 60 degree. The delta currents flowing in a delta connected system are: the positive sequence delta current is equals to the positive sequence line current divided by J root 3, which is equals to 13.94 divided by root 3 at an angle 41.86 minus 90 degree is equals to 8.05 at an angle minus 48.14 degree ampere. The negative sequence delta current which is flowing in a delta connected load is equals to negative sequence line current divided by minus J root 3. After substituting the negative sequence line current, I will get 2.68 at an angle minus 21.57 degree ampere.